Alright, here we come to the elevator at Macy's at the Ross Park Mall.
Here you are, yellow here, the Macy's department store over at Ross Park Mall, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
This is the elevator at Macy's at Ross Park Mall.
How many times are we going to state that this is the elevator?
Over to in country minutes.
They still have that dinner bell.
Yeah, I heard this started doing well too.
The floor has been replaced since I first did this twice. Alright, close it up.
Oh, there's a
Alright,
phone.
go to 3. Westinghouse elevator.
Oh.
Bouncy.
It's gonna be a little bumpy.
I like the dings to it. Yeah.
Don't press it yet.
I'm not gonna press it yet.
Oh, they changed the carpeting up here already. Remember, look at this place. They remodeled it.
Door closing back. Closed.
I'm there.
There's a dings again.
It's called the dinner bell.
Oh yeah, dinner bells are called, yes.
They still have that dinner bell as a 2020.
Here's John. Here's
He's
Pat.
It's pretty much just like it was whenever it was Kaufmanns as far as the walls and ceiling go.
Oh, there's certificate of operation located in the machine room. Yes. Capacity is 3,500. Yes. I like this panel. It's nice.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, we're heading out. Here we go.
There's the Westy arrows.
There's the
Interlock.
Westinghouse.
The machine room.
Oh yeah, this is the machine room right there.
Alright, that'll be it. There's a freight